Hello, GQUAT family. Welcome to Garden, Quilt, and Art Traditions. I've been missing for a couple of weeks. I had a knee replacement. I'm doing great. It's 2 weeks later, and I am so excited. I have so much stuff going on. First, I want to show you some of the arts and crafts that some of the seniors in my classes have been doing. We have been reading remotely and social distancing, doing all of that, but I plan to start some quilting classes. What I do in my arts and craft classes, everybody comes and does whatever they want. Some are sewing, some are crocheting, some are making quilts by hand, they've made handbags, they're painting. Send me an email and let me know what you want to do, and I will incorporate it in our weekly classes. We generally meet on Thursdays from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I won't record the entire class, but maybe from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. I can figure out how to go live, and you guys can come on and interact and maybe make something of your own. This is going to be so exciting. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, press the like button, and share with others. Don't forget, let me know in the comments what you would like to see, what you would like to have done. This is one of my quilts. I changed it, the ones that were there. It's actually covering up projects that I'm working on in progress. The big one in back of me, somebody saw it on a video and wants to buy it. I've got all kinds of equipment you can see. I just have to figure out how to use it. Actually, it's not so much that. I'm totally blind in my left eye, so my depth perception is off, and it's going to be a problem in a chat trying to read the comments, trying to look up, and to do my work. But I'll figure it out, and I will get some moderators. I've had a couple people volunteer. So, like, comment, subscribe, and in the meantime, I'll show you a couple of videos of some of the things we have been doing in my volunteer classes. Bye, family. Love you.